Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Lai Mungkra kalapan pawi ka jing ngukmen haden ba arngut ki samla pule jong ka school kila yo bandrong haki kerdan ba khmat haka examen ambus HSSLC arts arjar arpunreu u josia daman lalu ulayo ya ka kerdan ka baat da ka bayo saus pa santu armak katba kanaki saka huni empa kenteng kalayo ya ka kerdan ka balai da ka bayo saus pa sa punreu mak u principal ka school u Father Anthony Kharkongor ula ai khublei ki samla pule kinong hikai kikmi kikpa halor kane ka jingyo ula ong bal deiling ba ka jing yatresh tomlang ka jinglong renti ka jing pule man ka sngi bat ka jing yalam lenti jong kinong hikai bat ka jing kersan jong kilong yeng ula ong ro ba ka school ka ju ai men semi ki samla pule ban long ki batresh tom ki ba minot bat ki ban ne a ka jing thmu jong ki kat kum ka jing yathu jong u ka jing job kamwan tanga ka shimit henry kawan leng ba ka jing tresh tom bat ka jing yai pteng u Father Anthony ula benrap ba kene ka jing yo ka jing ya shaprang kalawan ra e ka burom bat ka jing ngokmen ya ka school hi barok ka we ula ong ba ka St. Anthony's kan pteng ban ai men semi ki samla pule ban persyang khamba bat ban poish ya ki jing job ki ba kham he ha ki examen ki ban wan ula kenturu ya ki samla pule ba kin yai tresh tom ban long ki barit men sim namar kane ka jing yo ka jing ya shaprang jongki kan long ka jing yalam lenti ki wei pat ki samla pule haka school.
I would just say that the people around us make a big deal out of this like board examination. They create that fear that it's board examination, you have to study like very well and all. But I guess I'm that kind of person who's like I can't really study much when I'm like stressed or something. And I would say like it's common for most of the people. So I would just say that take this board exam as a normal examination, to be honest. Like just give your best, that's it. And study properly, review the past year question papers. And I guess so you will do well, and next time I guess so it will be you in front of.
Started studying from day one itself. I used to study every day, and then by the time school got over in December, I was already done with my syllabus, so I could just revise, and that's how I got the second rank.
And more about what is your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite subject would be chemistry because I love doing chemistry. I also always consistently get high marks in my school exams, and I really enjoy studying chemistry because of the organic chemistry, those reactions. I felt that those were quite logical and so easier to understand for me, and I'm also good at memorizing stuff, so inorganic was also never a problem for me. That's why I like chemistry.
So from science subjects, which subject do you think is tough for you?
So when it comes to toughness, I would say it's physics because of the vast syllabus, and then you have to memorize so many derivations as well, and then in case some tough numericals come, it's always a challenge. That's why physics was tough for me.
So how many hours a day do you study?
So after school in December, I used to study around 8 to 9 hours. Then around 3-4 weeks before exam, I used to put in 11-12 hours.
So tell me more about yourself. What do you do? What are your passion? What are your hobbies? And
so, sir, first I belong to the Vaipi community, which is from Manipur, and my deepest passion for me is learning theology. I'm a Presbyterian, so for me I feel it's very important for me to learn about God and other things. That's why I also live by the principle that
Makadisi ni slow mitap ke jing kemen, pat kami sim jungi ka kemen tam da beliau la ke pu, imba ke jing trace tom jungi kena, malau sun menuju iba ke St. Anthony's kawan bet sekmat. Te don bakili hakanu kom. What is the secret behind it that St. Anthony's has to always back and has to always come in the forefront? Te kawai gede nakadaw ba kade ke jing trace lang mo. Jadi sistem ke belah set ke school. Ki non ki kena, ki long regular, ki one stage school, bagi non kai ki one stage school, ki le ke duty jong. Ha ke ju ke poru, ki meru lemba ke jing don meeting, lemba ke jing ya senan, ke jing peti, ke jing ai simi we. Ke nya trelang, bang nya trelang kam don ke bam la ban le. Ni poi be ke thong ke job. Te ko ni ke jing hikai ke bang ai kena. Te menta da kata sistem kebangian cuma kini sistem kelayat baik jadi nanti bentam malu sistem juyo ya kerja
we expect them for the new position. Okay.
Ho kesin Anthony kam judon kata bangim ju expect ke expectation ka don bet namar ngi tep ya ke jing trace tom ju kinoi kai ke jing budien ju ki mi pa ke jing trace tom ke jing minot ke jing amen sim ju ngi ba pya ya ka surman la ka por mene ki assembly ka ba ngata kena kena ngong ni skokmen namar bale ni inde na kada bakila yo tang ya ki marks ya ki ranks Ring ni shatmen na kada jo ke jing trace tom ke jing ya ne ke jing ya sha ke jing budien bat ke jing duai lu ka jung por te ada ngi nyo kuma ke jing haspur ni don ke assembly ketua assembly ke bangi I mean sim ni I jing seneng I jing tur ta kapen ka kalong ka driving force ki bakin tur sekmat mo dem ba ka message kan good thought bagi kena pramaki ki ai te kalong ka i ba sai so ke ni ke bangi le haspur
Fala kadang ka criticism pat ya ka St. Anthony's ba hakam matriculation exams ka Anthony's kam poi shikmat rai ka 12 play ki poi shikmat mar ba le yo ki students ki creamy students ba
ki secondary kalong ba ki school tham tam e jung ki secondary ki bon ba de ki hajar te ka juk por ki knaru ki ba wan la ka juk school ba ki ba ya ka juk school teng ki sim ka bu ki kain sting no nde ba ki kna jung kim ju le te ba kim don kata ka jing skap ka jing snow mok ka jing ka sa ki ba don ki ba skap don ki bam skap nre wat kata ngim ju do hi ki rang holders the secondary nre mentapat ta ka ba ni amin sim ni bu kata ka tong ka motivation mo kada ki secondary ki le ba tam ngin ai kata boxes ngin ai kata ka prize ngin ai kata ka jing le buram te kia kelong kawin na ki driving force ke bambangi ai ki bakin le ba bakin mo ndai tang banchio marks banchio rang banchio nre ki di bang sngo kuman ke namar bangi ka juk jung competition mentale te la dakim le ba ada ki kwa ban appear ginu no exams ni ben yo no college ru ki ha ben yo ki marks babia minta usdan ni i bak secondary ki la na kham kiu na